Hello folks, in this video we're going to see how to install TCE in a Linux machine. So I'm going to go here and SSH into my Linux machine. So I'm running this on AWS and I have Brew installed here. So I'm going to show how to install using Brew. So you can see on Linux install with Homebrew. So you just have to copy this and run that. So I will have to give a key that I have here. Okay, so it's actually gonna pull this GitHub repo, and I don't think you will get this prompt. I have SSH usage. So this installation will take a moment. And yeah, so it's done. And so you have to do one more step. So it says to initialize all plugins required by TCE. An additional step is required. So you just run this. And once that is done, you are good to go. And it's done. So you just type Tanzu and you have these and you check Tanzu version and you're done. So that's how you can install TCE using Homebrew on Linux.